YouTube channel. Today we are going to do charity for the people who were in the flood. So let's go. So guys, this is my half of the team, and these are the people we are going to buy things for the people who were in the flood. So let's start. We are going to take things, many different things. So let's start. So guys, we have taken these biscuits right now, and we are taking more and more biscuits. Guys, अब मैंने क्या क्या लिया मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. मैंने कैंडीज़ ली हैं, बंडीज़ ली हैं, बिस्किट्स लिए हैं, निम्को लिए है और क्या लिया है. हम इसमें कुछ कैंडीज़ लिए, उनका बिल करवाते हैं. अब हम कुछ चीज़ें और भी लेंगे. Let's see, we will take more things. Now we are going to find something dry. So let's see. Guys, now we are taking some crackers and we are taking some more chocolates. No, not chocolates, but wispy rolls. So हम इसमें कुछ कैल्शियम चीज़ें ऐड कर रहे हैं और ये they should be 50, right?